What's going on, Schmitty Garage? We are working on this Cub Cadet Kohler K301. The dang thing won't run. I don't know why. Everything looks right. Either the piston rings are not installed right, or it looks like this was hitting right here. So maybe it was binding up on the cylinder head. There's a lot of moisture in there. Let's see what happens.